heck mean.
No, I don't.
Don't record her.
Why are you hiding? I'm like, wait, I feel like I can
5
follow
hours?
you.
What the heck? Target for 5 hours? Why?
Look at that
Sorry, you
cheeseburger.
recording?
Did you say Target?
Oh.
Cut.
Oh, where are you going?
How about we record you?
Yeah, oh, I want that jacket.
Huh?
Claudia. Okay. How about this?
Columbia.
Ha! Just kidding.
No, I like this jacket. I like this.
I'm a.
Oh, that's cool.
I like
Why
what
didn't
you
you
said.
invite me?
I like this.
What were you saying?
You guys do something funny.
Really?
It's weird. I've always wanted boots like this, and if I were to get boots
Like this?
like this, yes, rain boots,
Yeah.
cute. Oh my god.
Cheese! Cheese!
Oh.
I'm gonna zoom in Hecka.
Meaning we wrote back.
Okay,
again.
zoom in. Zoom in, but on this.
Steph.
Anyways, I'm like all the way where the underwear
You're like a dumb.
Zoom.
Oh! Oh!
Okay.
No, wait. What? He should have been number 1.
I know.
One number?
12. Jonas Brothers. Dude, they're so ugly.
No, they're not. Joe
Ew, what the heck is he doing? No, he is sexy. He has
he's not.
He has a little boy's face.
I think he's just gorgeous.
He
He can skate.
I know.
I like clusters.
I like that one.
I like little kids. I like him. Yeah, from the Naked Brothers guy.
She loves him. No. Oh, like that one.
That was a close up.
Okay.
What?